Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to filter messages from all members on your account on Discord, easy and quick. First, click here, now click settings, and now click moderation, and here as you see you will find filter messages from all members. Click on it like this, and after this click save, and it will be saved. And that's it. That's how to turn on filter messages from all members on your account on Discord, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. For you. And thanks for watching. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.